Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get Google Drive for your desktop. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. You just have to sign in to your Google account and simply type drive.google.com, and then you will be redirected to your Google Drive. Now let's simply try to download Google Drive for our desktop. On the navbar, at the rightmost section, right next to the question mark, you will see a gear-like icon. That is Settings. Simply click on it, and from here, as you can see, here's Settings, Get Drive for Desktop, and Keyboard Settings. Click on the second option right here. It's gonna open up a new page, and from here, let's simply click on Download Drive for Desktop. I'm gonna click on it right now, and as you can see, the file is being downloaded. Right here, the file is downloaded. Simply install it, and guys, that is it. That is how you get Google Drive for your desktop. It is quite easy. That is it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.